Two comments in my previous Samsung photo assist video are the reasons I'm making this video. The first person asked me how to change the weather condition in any image. And the second person asked me how to write better prompts so that Samsung AI gives you the exact results you're looking for. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to write the perfect prompt to change the weather in any image on your Samsung Galaxy phone without getting those strange AI results. So welcome back to the Doitright Tech channel, where I take you through everything tech. And in today's video, I will be showing you the exact prompt structure I used to turn a sunny day into rain, snow, fog, sunset, night, and more, while keeping the original image looking natural. The goal is not to just change the weather, it is to make the image look believable after the weather has even changed. But without wasting much time, let's dive right into the video. But don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, let's go. So here's the biggest mistake people make. They write something like, transform the image into a rainy day while keeping everything else the same. That sounds logical to us, but the Samsung AI can focus more on instructions than on creating the atmosphere. Here's the formula I found works much better. So weather plus lighting plus atmosphere plus preservation. Also, Samsung only gives you a short space. By that I mean 100 characters only for your prompt, so every word should count. Instead of wasting characters on long instructions, use them to describe the final destination you want your AI to create. For example, heavy rain, dark storms, wet pavement, realistic reflections, preserve all objects and composition. Notice how I tell Samsung how to edit. I simply describe the words that I want to create. The AI generator predicts what the final scene should look like. So when you describe the destination instead of giving editing instruction, the AI can spend more effort building that environment instead of trying to interpret what the command is. And ending the phrase with preserve all objects and composition helps tell Samsung not to replace buildings, roads, trees, people, or the main details of the image unless it really has to do that. So let's look at a few examples here. So I'm going to go here into my gallery. I've got an image like this, and we're going to be using some prompts. I'm going to be keeping all the prompts in the description so you can just copy them and paste them or add a few tweaks to them, but I've given the formula. So what we're going to be doing here is tapping on that photo assist feature like that. And for this one, we're going to be generating a golden hour look. So my prompt is going to be as follows. Golden hour, warm orange glow, long soft shadows, and keep all elements. So I'm saying all elements in the image should be kept. Now let's hit generate and watch. So this is what we generate from this. But it doesn't look that dramatic. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back and leave this page and try more like a sunset scene. So for a sunset scene, this is how I wrote it. Orange and pink sunset, warm evening glow, and keep all elements the same. So we're going to generate this. So that also gives us this. So with this, we're going to just leave again. So let's get things a bit dramatic with snow. So we have fresh snow, icy landscape, cold winter light, and keep all elements. So we generate. So as we can see here, we've got snow on the table. We've got snow, ice, ledge right there. We've got the snow on the plants there and some on the floor with an impression on the ground there. So as you can see, almost a complete transformation and still respecting the scene. So let's add one more. So with this one, we've got moonlight, stars, cold blue lights, and keep elements the same. So this is the funniest that it can generate. So like you can see here, do not expect all photos to be transformed perfectly. Photos with clear skies and plenty of outdoor elements usually give Samsung's AI the best results. So indoor photos, crowded images, or heavily edited images can be more difficult for the AI to convert convincingly. So start with clean outdoor images whenever possible. And now I want you to try these prompts on your own photos and tell me whether the effects came out better. Now, if you discover another prompt that works even better, share them in the comment section because I would love to test them myself. Also, let me know what photo assist prompt video you want me to do next. And if the video helps you, kindly don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.